I'm starting out by using my Fenty Beauty primer. I've really been enjoying this primer a lot lately. It's lightweight, yet it helps to control my oily skin. And I'm also priming the entire mobile area of my eyes by using the warmth of my fingertips. I'm taking the primer and I'm blending all the way up towards my brow bone. And then I'm going to use the palette. This is the LA Colors Invite Only palette. I have really been enjoying this palette a lot lately. So with a fluffy blending brush, I'm picking up a color closest to my natural skin tone, and I'm just going to blend that back and forth in a windshield type motion. And I'm going to next pick up a nice chocolate brown color, and here is where I start creating a definition in my eyes. By using a pointed precision blending brush, I'm blending this directly into my crease by keeping it nice and low. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX base to apply with my warmth of my fingertips. Using an eyeshadow base really helps your eyeshadows to pop that much better, in which I'm about to show you. So I'm taking the first color out this primer, and this is what I'm talking about when you use a base. Wow, insane color pigmentation. Color you see, you definitely will get if you use an eyeshadow base. I've learned that as I've been learning how to do my makeup. When you use eyeshadow bases, it definitely does make your eyeshadow colors stand out that much better. So with a flat shader brush, I'm picking up the color in this palette and I'm just applying it directly on the mobile area of my eyes by using a flat shader brush. So here's something I've been doing a lot lately. I call this brightening up my inner tear ducts. Yeah. So I take the lightest color from the palette, and with a flat shader brush, I just make sure to focus that in only on the inner tear duct portion of my eyes. This helps to open up my eyes with reflected light. And speaking of light, those stripes that's on my face, yeah, that's Mother Nature. I'm recording in natural daylight and the sun is trying to peek through my window. So off camera, I just decided to do my false eyelashes and wing liner. And here I'm blending out my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm using my facial blending brush to do so. And once I complete doing that, I'm then taking my LA Girl cream highlighter, and I'm focusing that in under the areas of my eyes. And I'm contouring with my e.l.f. cream contour, and I'm putting that along the perimeters of my forehead as well as my cheekbone area. And with my InStylish Beauty Blender, I'm blending out that highlight and I'm blending out that contour. But to make sure that I don't have harsh lines and demarcations, I went back into using my facial blending brush just to smooth everything together. So now I'm just adding a little bit of blush. That's going to go a long way. I'm definitely not much of a blush wearer. Now add a little bit of lip liner, some lipstick and lip gloss, and not bad. I really like how this eye look came out, and I used my LA Colors Invite Only palette to achieve this look, and yeah, I like it. On that note, dolls, this now concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.